So we had kind of a fun project here. We have a customer from West Virginia. His name's Andy. He's got a kind of a holy grail of the Dodge trucks. We like this particular year. It's an 05 6-speed 5.9. Perfect combination. In my opinion, one of the best trucks ever made by Dodge. Problem is, Andy lives in an area, well, like Minnesota, it's rusty. Rust belt heaven. So the outside doesn't look so horrible. You get underneath this thing, there's nothing left. So what we did, we brought up a box and some new sheet metal for Andy. So we're gonna swap out some sheet metal. We're gonna pull everything off the frame, clean up the frame, make it nice and black, take care of all the mechanicals on the truck that need to be done, and essentially give Andy back a brand new 2005 Dodge. So follow along as we do this build. All right, well, Matthew's backing Andy's truck in. We're gonna take the box off, inspect the frame. We need lines, just kind of give it a good once over before we give our first report back to Andy. All right, time to take the bed off.
Man, look at that.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to hold the front a little bit, but you want to put some straps in the front? Actually, it isn't gonna need it. Just lift it. I think we're okay.
Dangling already?
Yeah. We need to get an extension for our boom. It's a little short of the 8-footers, but we're doing okay.
You might just have to just barely hold that. Try just lifting up that corner, just that. Oh yeah, see? When I pull out, that's all you might have to do. I just gotta go a little more back here.
That strap idea worked out good, buddy. Yeah,
The wires are caught.
I think you're okay now. No?
I gotta do some wire holder snipping.
This is working really good. Yeah. Good job, Rudy. Well, I can tell you some of our Minnesota trucks have looked a lot worse than this frame. This one looks really good.
The frame's okay.
Yeah, but it's crazy how his frame looks so much better than like one of our trucks would from here. But the sheet metal is just gone.
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
There's like nothing left underneath here, dude. It's sad too. Look at how nice this was, Matthew. I'm pretty sure that bed liner went in when the truck was new. And everything around it just disappeared. No spare, the spare tire thing.
Probably rusted out.
Looks like it. You good? I'll just go lift on this corner. You grabbed the wrong keys. Yeah, it's really sad what the rust does to these things. This thing outside doesn't look too bad. You get underneath, it's like a coral reef. How's this for some creative shit, huh? Alright, we're gonna go get a little up close and personal with a seriously rusty truck box.
That thing's still recording.
Oh yeah. Yeah. There's our fleet. Look at this. I'm pretty sure I've never seen a box so freaking rusty in my life. And the outside doesn't look that horrible. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy.
And everything's like
Cray cray.
everything's freaking rock. Nothing solid anymore.
That's crazy. Andy, you definitely needed a new box. This is what we would call Swiss cheese. All right.